What's good, all you schmexy people? Looking good out there, looking good. All right, today's video is about nothing. We're riding. It's just a vlog. I think these are some of the better videos, in my opinion. I don't know. You may have your own. Let me know. Comment down below what type of videos you want me to create, and I will oblige. Give me some ideas. Leave a comment and subscribe if you haven't already. Hit that like button. We're trying to get this video to 100 likes. That's not asking for much. Let's get this video to 100 likes, and let's see if we can do that. Gang, gang. So I think we're gonna head down south, about an hour away. I'm also testing out this like all-day vlog setup that I have, so I don't have to keep switching batteries at every stop. We'll see if it works. I'm hoping to not turn off the GoPro at all, because it always seems as like when the GoPro dies is when you need it the most, like when you want to capture something and it's already dead. And we will not have that, guys, right? We will not allow that. Let me touch my because I can check my status from right here, and I'm still at 100%. 100%. That's awesome. All right, I'm stuck behind this slow car. Darn it. I like to follow the law every once in a while. All right, I tried to head down to the Twisty 60s a couple weeks ago, and the route that I took had a lot of closed roads, so I'm going the other way, and we're gonna go hit the Twisty 60s. If you guys don't know what that is, you're not from Minnesota, that's our little, you know, twisty roads. That's very popular for us here in the Twin Cities. It's about an hour away depending where you are from the Twin Cities, but an hour and a half. Really fun roads, really windy roads. We'll see a lot of bikes for sure. Race. Smoke. Oh. Got him. Got the dub for the day. Don't need to race anybody else. We in the farmland, baby. Yes, we're on the right track. We're on the right track, yes. We going east. What is that? Oh, this is the Cambodian temple right here. Pretty cool. I'm glad I got to see that. I don't want to say it out loud, but I was lost there for a second, but now I'm on the right track. No GPS. I got the Cardo on though. If I turn the GPS, I can hear it. So, but I'm just winging it. I'm not using a GPS today. I'm just gonna. I got a good sense of direction, and I know the highways and the roads pretty well, kind of. If I did, I wouldn't be getting lost, right? But we're past that point. We're moving on. What is this? Oh, landscape stuff. I don't know. I like this route. Great. Got the copper. We'll just follow them, right? That's what they do to us. Let's just follow them. This is the way. This is that route. Yep. Yep, we're heading towards Roiling. So, perfect. Started this ride pretty early. It's gonna get warmer as the day goes on. Never been to New Tier. It feels good to be out here. Woo. Yeah. Alright, let's just keep track of how many biker waves we can give out today. That was one. Maybe not. We'll just be counting like to a bajillion. Alright, yep, it turns into 61 here. Perfect. Follow me on Instagram as well, guys. KTG_612. Hit that like button. Subscribe if you haven't already. This is what I do, motorcycle videos. Oh, water! I love this place, King's. Awesome burgers there. King's. Alright, let's ride with these guys. Red Wing. Ooh. That one hurt. Look at all. Oh, a deer. Oh man. I don't think I've ever ridden through this area of Red Wing, because we're usually on the other side, like on the Wisconsin side, going down. There's a lot of businesses here and a lot of stoplights, so I guess that's the reason why we mostly take the other side. But this is a good change. I don't mind it. The Red Wing Shoe Company. That's an amazing view over there to the left. Oh my goodness. Ooh, a fox. So we've seen, as far as roadkill, we've seen a deer and a fox. It's beautiful. Lake City. It's starting to get warm. And I'm in a lot of stop and go traffic too. Stop lights. I got their adventure bikes, or what is that, dual sport, I mean. Big Bear. Man, I gotta come and hang out in this area with the family. I got a little Lancer meet. It's not the brightest day, but it's still nice. You see there's plenty of clouds out there. Just hopefully not rain clouds, right? Raccoon. Oh, the sun is coming up. We are here, Wabasha. Yeah, baby. Get it. I need to get some gas. We hit 100 miles on this tank. Gas light not on yet, but we don't get that gas. This gas station will do. Alright. We're ready. I'm ready. I'm excited. Here we go. 60. The Twisty 60. Oh, Wabasha County Fair coming up. Church. Alright, let's head back. Looks like rain clouds to the left of us. So we're going north. Hopefully it stays that way. Looks good to the right. It was a 15 or 20% chance of raining, so we'll see what happens. Hopefully it misses us, right? Right, people? Right? I've never been out here by myself to the Twisty 60, so that was a good experience. I didn't go balls out because obviously I'm by myself. If something were to happen, I'd be in a pretty messed up situation. So, but I pushed it a little bit. I was mostly in third gear. If I was really riding more aggressive, I'd probably been in second gear more. Just practicing. Oh, it's starting to hurt. I can feel it hitting my arm. It feels like little needles hitting my arm. Even though I have my jacket on, it's a mesh jacket. I mean, there's clear skies. I just gotta make it that area. And then it'll be alright. I gotta turn my head left and right so that the wind will just kind of blow all the moisture that's on my helmet off. I saw lightning over their side. Oh my goodness. Oh, lightning. Oh man. I'm heading right towards it too. I think I'm good. Oh man, that's kind of scary. I mean, I know everything's gonna be alright, but like, you know, that uneasy feeling. Like, you wouldn't be comfortable. I'm wet now. I took a chance and I failed. It rained on me. It's alright. You know, I was wondering why there weren't many bikers. I wasn't seeing any of them. I saw some, but there weren't many. I'm thinking to myself, there's got to be a reason. And probably because they knew it was going to rain. It wasn't long, but it rained. The intercooler on that Golf, though. Looks like it already rained here. We're back in Red Wing, so we'll head back. So that means we're not too far from home. Guess the video's not over yet. I was gonna end it. Can't do that. Well, looks like clear skies ahead of us, so I think we're in the clear now. I think we should be dry the rest of the ride, hopefully. Oh, they were ready. They had their rain gear on and everything. Come on with this group. My new friends. Treasure Island Casino. Man, it'd be a nice time to stop by there. KTG. Alright, we're on the highway now, so that's the end of the video. I appreciate you guys all watching to the end. Again, let's get this video to 100 likes. I'm not asking for a lot. Please help me out. And subscribe if you haven't already. You know, this is what I do. I post motorcycle videos, basically vlogs of me riding. You guys be safe out there. Take care of yourself. Peace out. Oh, here we go again. Oh, great. Look at all those rain clouds. Oh, it's starting to rain again. I gotta get home ASAP. I'm over this.
How can I be able to see it?
Subscribe.
Just subscribe.
Subscribe with the A turn.
Please subscribe. I look ratchet as hell. Don't judge me. My nails all.
Look for me. You about to be on there.
Okay.
Like the channel.